Here we are, ladies and gentlemen. We've reached the 100th video of the channel, and stocks are happening to be taking a bit of a beating this fine Tuesday. This comes off the back of the whole FRC going into basically being seized by the regulators and being sold off to JPM. Now, pretty much all the major indexes are taking a beating, from the S&P 500 to the Nasdaq to the Dow to the Russell, from the 1% all the way up to the 2% range, for the Russell. And what it really tells me is that seed of fear has been planted, and now people are talking about, they're worried about what's going to happen in the next Fed meeting, and this and that, the other thing. I would just say, if you're a value investor, take this opportunity to run your screeners again. Okay, say, hey, as the markets drop, and if this is the start of an even bigger drop, maybe this is a red day, that's the beginning of a red week or month or quarter or even year, you should be rerunning your screeners periodically, looking for new opportunities. You should be checking things that are on your watch list that are getting close to that price and trying to dial that in. You should be taking a look at your current holdings and saying, hey, is there anything on here I would like to add more of if the stock price keeps falling, to maybe continue to grow that position when it's on sale. And all of this should be done based on the fundamental economic value that those underlying stocks will provide, in terms of cash flow and earnings, not on these day-to-day movements, right? I should buy it because I think it'll go up again. Well, yeah, if the underlying businesses continue to grow and do well and provide more economic value, yes, over the long run, they should go up again. But really, it should be, can you get a stream of cash flow for less than what you think that stream of cash flow is actually worth? That's the thing you want to really look at. Now, the news is going to probably be bad. The headlines will probably be negative in the next few days to try to justify this, unless it snaps back the other way. So, a good case in point on that is 3 days ago. So this was probably Saturday. The headline came out: SPY is the new bull market at hand. That sounds like a pretty positive spin on things. Well, what was happening at the end of last week? Well, we went from 405 in the SPY on Wednesday, which is the S&P 500 index fund, up to, on Friday, about $415, right? So you had this, over 2% jump in the S&P 500, and then a follow-up article that it's, is the bull market back? Ladies and gentlemen, the bull, the bear, it's all just a bunch of bull, oni. Okay, so rerun your screeners, follow your process, and don't pay attention to the noise. Just take advantage of it, okay? That's your job as a value investor, to find disconnects between the price and the cash flow that you can buy for that price, okay? That's all. Take it easy, everyone. Have a wonderful rest of your week. I would like to remind you to subscribe to the channel and vote in the community poll. We have 3 stocks that my commenters have asked me to buy for the YouTube portfolio. Go ahead and vote. I'll give a link to that. Link in the Discord will be in the description. Remember, guys, run your screeners again. Find new deals. Red is opportunity if you're a value investor. Don't stress it like everybody else. Don't be like the crowd. Think for yourself. Cheers, y'all.